What sparks a stock rally? What sets the stage for a company's value to skyrocket even in the face of adversity? Today, we're diving into the case of Tesla. In the wake of worse-than-expected first-quarter earnings and revenue, Tesla experienced a surprising 12% jump in stock price. While many might have predicted a downturn, CEO Elon Musk had other plans. Musk hinted at new, more affordable models and predicted higher vehicle deliveries for 2024. This optimism, coupled with a strategic plan to accelerate the launch of new models, potentially including a low-cost vehicle, fueled investor confidence. But Tesla's plans go beyond just new models. The company is also heavily emphasizing its focus on full self-driving technology. In a world where the idea of autonomous vehicles is rapidly moving from science fiction to reality, Tesla is positioning itself at the forefront of this technological revolution. In a surprise move, Tesla also announced plans to showcase a robotaxi and ride-sharing service. This announcement signals a strategic move towards diversification, opening up new potential revenue streams and positioning Tesla as not just a car manufacturer, but a comprehensive mobility solutions provider. Moreover, Tesla is investing in AI infrastructure, a key technology in many modern industries from autonomous vehicles to smart homes. Despite negative free cash flow in Q1, the promise of future innovation and growth bolstered Tesla's stock performance. So what can we take away from Tesla's recent stock rally? First, a clear and ambitious vision for the future can inspire confidence, even in the face of short-term challenges. Second, diversification and innovation are key to maintaining and growing market value. Finally, investment in emerging technologies can position a company for long-term success. In summary, Tesla's stock rally can be attributed to three main factors: a strategic plan for new, affordable models, an emphasis on full self-driving technology, and a move towards diversification with plans for a robotaxi and ride-sharing service. Coupled with an investment in AI infrastructure, these factors paint a picture of a company that's not just weathering the storm, but charting a course for a future full of potential. Remember, in the stock market, it's not just about the numbers of today, but the promise of tomorrow. Tesla's recent stock rally is a testament to this. The company's ambitious plans and innovative spirit have fueled investor confidence, proving that a clear vision for the future is a powerful catalyst for success. So the next time you're wondering what sparks a stock rally, think about Tesla. Think about the power of vision, innovation, and strategic planning. Because in the world of stocks, sometimes it's the promise of what's to come that truly drives value.